This is a tubing brow gel. You heard me right. Let me show it to you. All right, here we go. You're gonna hear goblin noises. My cat's taking a bath. I never like tinted brow gels like this, but do you already see the fluff that this is adding? It's filling in gaps and it's lengthening my hair. So I'm gonna brush everything kind of a little bit upwards. It's gonna look a little scary to some, but I don't leave it like this. What I'm doing is I'm really getting in there and I'm extending those hairs. That already, I'm blown away. If you like the laminated style, you see that it can definitely cater to that. But what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that I'm coating every single hair. That is impressive. Now I'm gonna start to lay them the way that they naturally grow. Now we're just gonna grab my cellar water on a brush and we're just gonna clean up around the top. Look at how good that looks. I have never had one product look so good just by itself. I wanted to show you the brow super up close. It fills in, it elongates, it holds. Honestly, a brow miracle. 11 out of 10 for me.